Nurse, scalpel. Tweezers. Hedge trimmer. Because today we're transplanting. Okay, so basically what I'll be doing today is transplanting my sweet corn plants from their pots into the planting bed. Here's some I made earlier. Firstly, after consulting Deepseek, the AI thingy bot, I've been advised to use some of this fish blood and bone, approximately that amount in the bottom of the hole. So that's what I've been doing so far. So let's get this hole dug where I've marked out. There you go, that's about the depth of the pot and then some. So what we need to do is chuck our fish blood and bone in the bottom, then a handful of manure. I hate manure. There you go, that goes in there. Give it a little bit of water if I can find my watering can. Chuck that in there, get the nutrients flowing, and then pop out my corn. There's a nice little ball of roots there. Look at that. Pop that in said hole and chuck in some more manure. I hate manure. Probably should be wearing gloves with this, but sod it. As I always say, you'll eat a ton of shit before you die. Right, let's get that in there. Lovely, lovely. Get him nice and straight. Chuck on a bit more agua. And there you go. I did a thing. Right, so there's a quick update on everything else. Swede seeds coming along. Nothing happening with the parsnips yet. And the cauliflower is coming up. Radish is not looking well. Padron peppers, a couple have died, but even the carrots are coming up now. It's pretty cool. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 watermelon seeds still. Oh, seedlings, more assorted tomatoes. Doing a little better. In other news, tomatoes are looking extremely well. These are my golden queens. Best looking tomatoes so far. They're the Marmite tomatoes. Marmandy. Or Marmande. Right, I'll just chuck them Romanesco seeds in, as you remember. Look at all that. Where did they come from? So yeah, got a few things happening in there. Peas are doing well. They're coming up, especially the ones in here. They're really starting to grow up. Radishes, a couple are coming through. Nothing to report on the corn and cucumbers yet. Still open about them. Wildflowers is now starting to peep through. They'll be good once they're all blooming. 26 in an open greenhouse, but it's only really about 12 degrees, as it's quite early in the morning. Right, I'm very pleased with those. And very soon we might have to consider to get the barbecue out. Summer's coming. And some of you are asking why I do my gardening in my dressing gown. It's usually because it's first thing in the morning, so that's why I have my dressing gown on. One question, does my butt look big in this?